We can sterilize the tools professionally even working at home, using special containers by shape of nail. Just place each drill bit this way into the middle container, which has special holes. Firstly, we are removing the remaining skin, cleaning these drill bits under the stream of water after pour disinfectants until the middle of the main container. You should keep your drill bits this way for 30 minutes. After remove and washing again under stream of water to clean it from the traces of disinfectant. After drill bits are dried in safe place, you can work with them again or replace it into the personal container. You also can order personal containers for your clients, and they will really appreciate it, especially nowadays. Or you can order such useful container for your personal usage, because now more than ever prices in shapeofnail.com are the most adorable. And now guys, I'm gonna show you how to work with my favorite sculpting mix gel, which helps me to do perfect nails which stay on for very long time, and my clients are happy. Of course, there are a lot of different techniques using other products, but I'm happy that I have chosen this one 10 years ago. And it's very important for nail technician to train her hand on one product during the long period of time. As you can see, it's very easy to sculpt nails using sculpting mix gel because it's aligning very quickly. We don't have to do special motions. I just want to say that it's very fast and much faster than using other products. We have to cure it in 1 minute in LED lamp, remove the tacky layer, and as you can see, it's not needed to shape them at all, to shape them too much. But I'm a perfectionist and I prefer to create the ideal nails, the ideal secure for these nails, and I used not to save my time on this work. I do it to the perfection. You know, I enjoy the ideal shape of nails when one nail similar like the other nail, and when the client practically doesn't see the difference between nails, between the shape of the nail. So it looks like they look like competitive nails. The ideal shape and the ideal look. So guys, if you want to achieve such results when everybody enjoys your work and you will be happy with such results, I suggest you to try the same product, the sculpting mix gel, and you will see that it will be the game changer for you. What about pandemic situation in our state? Of course, now it's the days we have, they are not easy, but I see that everything is changing, and very soon, guys, all will come back, and we will be working as before without fear to be infected. Everything will change will be changed again, I'm sure. And I understand that nowadays you are a little worried if you don't receive your orders in time because of pandemic situation. This pandemic situation slows down delivery services. The post workers, they work slowly, and some packages delay. You know, guys, if I was in your shoes, I would say such thing. It would be great to pay for the order after I receive it, opened and try all products. I think this way I can save some money to make reserve order of products which is needed to the work. I will have the guarantee that anyway I would have main products to do nails. I think this is very actual now. You know, as a nail technician, I completely understand you and suggest to pay 50% of your order after the fact of receiving the package. I hope you understand me that I have more risks as a seller when customers never pay for goods, and my team of workers don't want to be with no pay too. So now my first choice is to minimize your risks and provide you with the best products and money back guarantee. So I suggest you guys to pay 50% of order, applying the special coupon code. This coupon code is 50. Minimum spend for applying coupon code is €90 or 99 American dollars. And other 50% of total sum should be paid by you after you receive your order when we send you invoice. I just want to tell you, as before, worldwide shipping for all orders about €44 or 48 United States dollars is free. So I think this is the great way to try our products, to try sculpting mixed gel, to try this amazing 3D gel that I'm using now, and that I'm using for creating such beautiful poppy flowers. As you can see, I'm using the brush number 0, brush for gel. I'm making balls of 3D gel. You know, there are no differences between 3D or 4D gel. This is the same product. Now it's popular to make names which sounds good. That's why there are a lot of combinations: 4D, 5D, 6D, 7D. But actually this is the same product. The product is very useful for us, which has no smell. It's important too, because I detest the smell of monomer, of acrylic products. And I like working with safe, for health, unharmless products like sculpting mixed gel, like 3D gel, because it has no fragrance or smell or bad components at all. I have worked with it already more than 10 years. I have even no allergic reactions after such a long period of work. I know a lot of examples of nail technicians who has terrible allergic because of rubber products, gel polish products, rubber bases cuts. And this is real. This is not the joke. This is the real thing, and I know that you have informed about it already. I prefer to work with very simple products. What does it mean? When the content of product consists of 1, 2, 3 components, no, not more. That means it's somewhere near the healthy product, safe product. But when we have a lot of components, that means one of these components maybe cause allergic reactions, for example. And of course, gel products which has no smell, more suitable for us. And I think everyone can feel herself or himself, feel how particular product influences on his on herself or himself after the long day of work with this product. For example, if I work with gel polish all day or with acrylic products, in the evening I have terrible headache or something. I feel not good myself. But after the long day of work with sculpting gel, this way I feel good myself, especially when I use the special vacuum cleaner and not vacuum cleaner, dust collector, sorry, dust collector, which is removing all the dust outdoor. So I breathe clean air and don't smell the dust of nail works. As you can see, guys, now I'm working with the gel paint, which is very pigmented. It doesn't create thick layer, so our nail will not be turned white after this coat and after the final top coat, and I really appreciate this. I'm using acrylic paint and thin brush number 00, and I'm drawing branches and small blooms with the same 3D gel to finish this composition. You know, I don't like overload nails with flowers. I like central or diagonal compositions on nails, just because it looks beautiful and it doesn't look bulky. So I definitely choose the ring finger and I like applying the main flower, large flower, on this nail, on the ring finger nail, and I drop some blooms on neckboard nails. So let's just have some pleasure looking on this work and listen to the music. So guys, we just need to cover remaining nails with the gel paint and apply the top coat on all nails. I will be using matte top coat. Soon it will be in stock again, so you can order it. And I also want to remind you that we have free shipping for orders above $50. So you can order these products to every country with free shipping, and also you can pay half of sum after receiving your order, opening the package and testing your product. I think this is the great thing. Okay, let's take a look how beautiful nails we've done together. I think they look amazing. I'm enjoying combination of white and red. Please let me know down in the comments what do you think about this nail design, and what do you think of my idea when customers pay after receiving products and testing them. Please don't forget to click like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next videos. Bye!